Hi, my name is Amanda Winalda. I'm an executive attorney here at Anderson Advisors, and we're here at day 2 of our tax and asset protection event in Dallas. I'm here with Blake Brogan.
You got it.
How are you, Blake?
Oh, happy to be here.
All right, Blake, you're with Money Insights. Just
Yeah.
give us the lowdown on what Money Insights does.
Yeah, so we do a couple different things. We help educate people on various alternative investment routes that they can go. And then we'll use specialized life insurance strategies as a way to enhance your returns and what you're investing in. And then just from there, connect them with opportunities.
Okay, nice. And so you have 2 main products. So talk to me a little bit about the Capital Avalanche.
Yeah. So the capital avalanche is a great strategy if you're someone who's saying, okay, I want to create tax-free income down the road. So it might not be something where I'm tapping into it right away, but I want a safe and predictable way to create double-digit returns. And, I've got a 10-year horizon before I want to take income out of this strategy. So we're using these specialized life insurance strategies. It's a version of what you might refer to as premium finance. So it's a combination of putting money into these policies and then using some bank leverage in order to create higher retirement income that you might be able to do in other strategies.
And then your other strategy, how is that different?
Yeah, so our other one is what we call the investment optimizer. So that is one that is really for people who are active in the cash flowing investment space. So whether you're investing in self-storage or single family rentals or, apartments, things like that. Basically, with that strategy, the reason people are using it is they don't really love what their money's doing for them in between deals. So you may love what you're investing in, you're creating, the tax benefits and the appreciation and the cash flow and everything from that. The investment optimizer is just a better way to move money in and out of your deal. So, for example, most people, before they use that, they're just flowing money in and out of a bank account. So you'll save up money in the account. When you're ready to invest, you just deploy it there. So the benefit of using this investment optimizer strategy is you can get more return, greater return in between deals. The money can grow in there tax-free. And then what people really like is you can leverage it or borrow against it and really have your money working for you in 2 places at once.
Nice. So when somebody comes to you, how do you help them decide between one or the other?
It's really around your goal. So again, if your goal is, I just have a sum of cash, I want to set it to the side. Estate planning is really big for me. This is money I'm not going to touch for a while, but I want the ability to create income down the road. The capital avalanche is going to be the way to go. If you're someone who's saying, I'm either just getting up in my investing career or I'm active in the alternative investing space and I just don't love what my money's doing for me in my bank account in between these deals, we're going to lean towards the investment optimizer. So it's really about, how active are you in your investing at the moment?
Okay. And then how much do you need to really get started?
With the investment optimizer strategy, we're just going to build the policies around however much you're investing. So for example, if you said, hey, I save $10,000 a year or $100,000 or $1 million a year, we're going to build policies that are able to accept that amount of, funding each year. So with that one, we really don't have a minimum. It's just, start wherever you are, and we can build from there. With the capital avalanche, we have a $100,000 minimum on that. Again, that's more of a long-term thing, but we have strategies that can work really for anyone's income level.
Do you need to be a healthy young person? Because not everyone is.
That's an awesome question. So we work with people of really all age ranges. We'll have people who set them up on their kids all the way up until really, mid 70s. Now, if you're someone who's saying, I kind of like the strategy, I want to learn more about it, but I'm not healthy or I've had, health history. One of the cool parts is you can be an owner on a policy where you are not necessarily the insured. So it might be a spouse or a business partner, anyone who you can say, hey, I have an insurable interest in them, you could use them. So we'll work with people, again, of all ages. And if you're not the one who's healthy enough to get one of these things, you can often own the policies, but just use someone else as the insured.
That's nice. Okay, so how do people find out more about Money Insights or get in touch with you?
Yep. So our website is moneyinsightsgroup.com. And if you want, you can go to moneyinsightsgroup.com/ABA, Anderson Business Advisor. So we have a page that will go through some of these strategies. So if you're like, I want to learn more, if you got 15 minutes and want to watch a video, we kind of go high level. We're very education focused. So we put out a lot of free material. You can go to our website or go to that moneyinsightsgroup.com/ABA and then check out some webinars and you can just schedule a call with us from there if it's something you want to learn more about.
Sounds good. Thanks so much.
Okay. Appreciate it.